So you're wanting to make money online. Stick around. I'm going to tell you 2 ways you can make money on YouTube. Very easy, and you don't have to sell anything. Please check back every Saturday at 2 p.m. I will have these how to make money videos every Saturday at 2 p.m. Y'all please subscribe to my channel. Leave me your thumbs up. Leave me your comments. Ask your questions. I'm not promising I will answer every one of them, but I will try my best. Okay. There was someone asked me about a week ago. She said she is disabled, I believe she said, and she's not able to get around too much. How can she make money online? And I told her that today's video is going to be for her. But you don't have to be disabled. You can be young, energetic. It don't matter. This will work for anyone. Okay. The very first way to do it. I've got 2 ways to stick around and get them both. The very first way to do it, and you don't have to put your face on camera. You don't have to say a word. Just take your iPhone or your camera, put it on a tripod. If you don't have either one of those, take your laptop. It's got a webcam and a microphone on it. Now, I use my webcam that comes on my computer. I don't have no fancy equipment. I've got the cameras and I've got the microphones, but I don't use them. The only thing I use is what's built in my computer. So those will work. I know my picture is not the best right here, but when I take my computer outside to make a video, the lighting is perfect outside. So my videos are perfect outside. The lighting in my office is not good. I got 2 little desk lamps right here. That's all I've got. Okay, you take your computer, your iPhone, or your camera outside. If you got trees, squirrels, birds, everything in your yard, set your camera up out there for about 30 minutes. The longer you can make this video, the better off you'll be. You can make them for 15 minutes, but make them as long as you can. 30 minutes to an hour. Just leave it out there and let it run. Capture that video. You're going to capture the wildlife that's in your yard. If you don't have that, go to the beach. Set it up out there. The waves crashing, the birds flying, people out on the beach having fun, the boats passing by. Perfect videos. If you don't have a beach around, go to a park, a lake. Get videos there. If you live in the country, go to a freshwater stream. Put your camera down low so you can get the rippling of the water and the sounds of nature. Those are great videos. There is a channel on here, and there's a lot of channels, but there's one I researched on this channel, and this lady is making about $75,000 a month just from AdSense on her videos. She never says a word. She makes videos like that, and she puts music behind it. Now, you can't put your favorite songs on there. That's copyrighted. But YouTube has music in their library that you can use, and it's free to go behind your videos. But now, if you want to, you don't have to do that. You can capture the sounds. But now, if the wind is blowing real hard, it's going to mess up the sound. So that's when you would want to put the music in. Just play around with that. That will work. You say, well, how can I make money doing that? Okay, to get monetized on YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours. You say 4,000 watch hours, that's a lot. When I started this channel, it took me 28 days to get that. By the time you get your 1,000 subscribers, most of the time you've got your watch hours already. And the scenery videos that I was just talking about, that's a very good niche. People are looking for that because they want something on their computer screen all the time running, and the music behind it is pleasing to them too. So they will subscribe to your channel. And I suggest making 2 to 3 videos a week. The more you can make, the better you'll be. My channel blew up, and I think part of it was because the stemless stuff is a good niche to get into right now. And I make videos every day. A lot of people will tell you you only need to make 1 or 2 videos a week. I'm sorry, that's wrong. If you want to blow up, you need to make a video every day. 2 to 3 times a week minimum. Okay, once you get to your 1,000 subscribers and your 4,000 watch hours, you get monetized. Y'all, I don't want to brag here, but you make really good money with AdSense. Really good money. So do that. You will have a paycheck coming in every month. I promise you, you will be happy with it. This is very easy. Anybody can do it. You don't want to be talking when the video is shooting. All you want is the natural sounds of the birds singing, planes going over, kids playing in the park, that kind of stuff. People eat some videos up. They love them. That channel will blow up. Okay, another way. Hang on just a second. Sorry about that. Another way. This person that I was talking to said that they was, I don't remember if they said they was sick or handicapped or something. But anyway, this idea is great for that type of person. Like if you've got a handicap or you've got an illness, a disease, going through struggles or whatever, make a video of you, just like I am, talking on the video camera, telling people how to handle their situation, what the doctors won't tell them about their situation, questions to ask the doctors, because doctors are not forthcoming with information unless you ask. How to make their life easier, stuff that you figured out with your struggles. Tell them all about your illness. Become friends with them. Be the person that they come to for information. I did a book on my cancer battle. I did a channel on my cancer battle, and I was doing just that same thing. I quit doing it because I got tired of looking in the past. I want to look forward. But if you're going through this struggle, that's a very good channel to be in, because who else knows better about that situation, that illness, that disease, that struggle, that divorce, that mental breakdown, whatever it is you're going through? Who knows better about it than you? So make that video, make that channel. People will subscribe. Now, one key that I'm going to give you about making your channel. If you're doing scenery, like the first video I was telling you about, make nothing but that. Your channel is going to be just about that. If you're going to make self-help stuff, like helping people with their illnesses, their disease, their handicap or whatever, do nothing but that. That way, YouTube will know who to push your videos out to. Like these videos right here that I'm doing on my stemless channel, YouTube will not push those out to people. I have to rely on people just finding it, or people that's already subscribed watching it. Y'all, these 2 ways of making money is very easy, and you will get monetized soon. It won't take a long time. Once you get to your 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, you will have to fill out a little form for AdSense. They ask 3 questions. It takes a whole 5 minutes. Then a lot of people is going to tell you to get approved, it's going to take 1 or 2 months. I'm telling you, when I filled out my 3 questions and submitted it, the next day I was approved. So it's different times for different people. They do check it out. But right now, during this COVID thing, there's so many accounts being opened. They can't check them all. So they approve them faster now. So I hope these 2 ideas has helped you. Please come back next Saturday at 2 p.m. I will have more ideas to make money. Y'all, I've been making money online for 11 years. I do not punch anybody's time clock. The only time clock I punch is my own. And I do what I want to. And I'm paid very well. Y'all, I love you all. Please come back next Saturday. Check out my stimulus videos every morning at 6 a.m. And just know I love you all, and we're going to get through this together, and we're going to build your business. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, leave your questions. I will try to answer every one of them. I love you all. Ciao.